Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Doall model 3613-0. Wired 230 volt, 3-phase. Very clean machine with all original paint. The table rip guide, table miter guide. It still has the pull chain system on it. Work light. Job selector. You can see that's all original paint. It's in great shape. Does not have the mid-table. The holes are there for it, but I don't have it. There's the rear wheel. It's in super shape. Doesn't look like they used it a whole lot. You can use it with all three wheels. You use the full throat, or if you're not using the full throat, you put this center section in, and you could use a shorter blade. It cuts your throat down to about 16 inches. Blade welder. Now there's the shifter. If you wrote so people will not mess up, never shift when running. Very important to have it stopped. On this saw this size, one person has to turn the shift handle, one person has to rock the front wheels. And it shifts above, not below. You don't force it, you rock the wheels and you just feel it into gear. We'll run it in low speed and we'll run it in high. Low speed range at the highest speed. You open the door. See the wheel's in good shape. Just rock that wheel. There we go. One person rocks the wheel. Person shifts it. Now we're in the high range. There you have it, folks. Nice clean Doall. Check this saw out and more at mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com.